Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, all right. All right, so we got the market opening 13 minutes. I want to start off by saying, thank you to those of you already here. Ready to come in, get this bread, and move this challenge further. Balvin, top of the morning. Rudy, top of the morning. Yeah, it's a little early, especially when you came through. It's a little early, a little early. Market doesn't open for another 12 minutes. Silence wins. Let's go. Hey, top of the morning, family. Uh, yeah, let's see what we got going today. You said what stock am I trading? You said with 109. I'm gonna be real. I am leaning towards Apple. I kind of have it in some other accounts. I have it like I have trades in another account, but I'm thinking Apple is looking good today for this account too. So I'll kind of see how the contracts look, but Apple is one I have my eyes on today that I think we can actually get a move on. Also, possibly the SPY. Dark side investing, top of the morning. Said lost 10K yesterday. Gotta get back if a trade said, oh man, sorry to hear that, man. I hope that's small relative to, I guess, your portfolio. Let's see. There was a call out for Hood as well. No news. A call out for news or Hood. Let me see. Let me take a look at Hood. See if there's anything oh, okay, Robinhood popped up. Okay, let's see. What's Bitcoin? Did Bitcoin? Nah, we didn't get any real Bitcoin movement or anything. Yeah, don't know why it's up like that. Let's check. Robinhood market maintained that outperformed, so they did get some analyst changes. The Trump account, that's probably what happened. The Trump account launched, so that's probably the main thing. Probably has to do with the Trump account. Still up 20 on the month. Hey, cool. Let's try to keep it at least 20, if not higher. So yeah, it's good that you're up 20K on the month. I was hoping some people they blow their whole accounts. I've blown my whole account before, but multiple times at that. But yeah, it's like it happens. I just don't want anybody to feel that. And top of the morning, top of the morning. Here, let's see. Uh, so yeah, I feel like I'm leaning towards Apple or what is it? Apple or SPY. I honestly, if it goes to the SPY, I don't really actually hold up. Let me do something for today. It's Thursday. All right, let me at least get the pre-market support and resistance. Okay, the range on the SPY is pretty tight. So if we end up pulling back or if we end up failing anything, that would probably be something of interest on the SPY. But yeah, other than that, I'm probably looking towards Apple. But things can change. Spring Kids 4. Top of the morning, top of the morning. Special shout out to those 10 people that decided to come through and smash that like button. Let me go back to the 4 hour on Apple real quick. Yeah, we got a lot of choppiness going on. But yeah, if I can get a pullback on Apple to like 210 today, or like at open, I would love that. Let me also recheck, like just see where the gamma exposure closed yesterday, because that's part of my thesis. Oh no, it's already trying to push up. I'm gonna need that to chill out. If it's already like at a certain level before the market opens and it doesn't come back down, I'm not getting in it. Oh no. Looks like some things have changed. Yeah, we got some things that changed. Okay. Well, with that being said, I could still play Apple, just probably gonna target like this if we come down here. So yeah, just target this little. Here, let me zoom in, see where. Yeah, throw a little alert there. There we go. And I'll do that. Okay, he said I'm late joining this challenge. My funds just settled. Hopping in today. Let me. You know what? Actually, yeah. Now that you said that, let me make sure I'm on the right account because I'll end up making trades on the wrong one. But also, let me look. Make sure there's nothing I want to take profit on before. Well, I might want to take profit on one. We'll see. I'll focus on this account to start. So just to let y'all know, I'm starting off with $150.80. I'm not going to throw that all in one trade. So wait, actually, let me take a look at something. Actually, for the right contract, I might. But ideally, the contract is under under $100. I like 70, but ideally it's under $100. But I'm not going to promise it's that low. I will weigh my options. But let's see, Apple. Let me see what the options were looking like. I feel like I want to turn off 0 DTEs for this account. Ooh, those options prices are kind of steep. Yeah, might have to go. Might have to go 0 DTE. We'll see. How'd Apple move overnight? Oh yeah, might have to. We'll see. See what the theta does. Hello, 11:50 or 5:57. Yo, top of the morning. So yeah, we got a good little range here on Robinhood. They got a good little move. Oh, you know what? Robinhood moved up. SoFi moved up. I was like, man, I should have stayed in that SoFi trade yesterday. Oh no. Oh, they popped up even more. Like I'm over here. Like I got in on here. I rode SoFi from about here to here, and then like overnight, it's like, oh, yo, we're up here now. They said I just missed out on another. That would have been like an extra $600 for me. But it's chill. Trade went where I wanted it to go. Sometimes it goes further. We did just break past the 200. It'll probably come retest, but that's good for knowing we're in an uptrend now. Well, actually, hold up. We do have some old resistance over here. And we have technically still, wait. Nah, I think we're in an uptrend. Okay, so let's see what the dollar's doing. Dollars says it's slightly up on the day. Oil. Yeah, if we keep coming down on oil, we're gonna stay up. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of go through and just briefly look and see if anything just looks like ooh. See if we can get that ooh. Oh, we got 2 minutes till the market opens. Coles is one that popped off on my breakout scanner. So that one's pretty cool. Like it would be great for an account of this size, but I'm trying to like day trade today, so that one wouldn't be the best. Let's see. Well, my chart froze. Oh, there we go. Hold up. Where did it start? I feel like it was like 7. Okay, it's moved up a little bit. Hey, Timothy, top of the morning. Hey, you ready? You ready? Oh, hold up. Apple trying to pull on back. Hold up. Well, we got, okay, 1 minute. Let me make sure I'm back in the right account. And we shall see what happens. Got my alert there in case it wants to, start off by testing that. Shoot, I'm ready. If it wants to be quick, I'm ready. I'm ready to be quick. Hey, D-Scurv, top of the morning. Yeah, Friday traps. More data in 16 minutes. Hey, D-Scurv, I'm trying not to look at SoFi, honestly. I'm like, come on now. But here, real quick, let's see. Oh, Chicago PMI. Oh, it's like light data, but yeah, it is data. All right, we got like 12 seconds. Okay. Master DRC, top of the morning. Osama, good morning. Once again, shout out to the 20 of you that smashed the like button. All right, so I just got an alert on the Qs. Let's see what's going on there real quick. All right, Apple is playing around going up first. I kind of want that for like other accounts, but shoot, hold up. Yeah, I might need to go to my other accounts and just get ready for like a quick, oh, okay. I was about to say, oh, yo, Apple trying to, hold up. I'm gonna start the day off. I have that 0 DTE on Apple. I'm not even gonna mess around. It's not. I had the Apple contract that expires today. Real quick, I'm gonna go ahead, lock in some morning profit. Oh, hold up. It's trying to. Okay, lock in some morning profit. I sold that at 207 per share. I'm not sure I shared that. Hold up. No new trades yet, just for the record. Let me real quick see. I'm not sure if I shared that because it was just a 1 day, but I also got another one on Apple that's for like next week. See, Apple. Nah, okay. So yeah, got another one that's about to be in the money. So, it's looking like Wait, let's see that other Apple. Okay, so I was down on that other Apple. All right, that's back. That's back. It's good now. Almost back in the money. Oh yeah, portfolio trying to jump out the gym today. Ooh. All right, let's see. Rudy said, "What do you think of?" I thought I was going to trade Apple, but it went for it like straight at open. That's what I was wanting for the small account today, but it's already like it. I was looking at 315. Honestly, I'm a cut out of this other one too. It's It's barely like at profit, but actually, nah, I got time on that. I think. Let me see. Nah, I'm gonna cut out of that. Just like get some off the table. Take my little profit. Be a little more focused on what the goal is today. Share that. So real quick, let me alert the family. Just took profits on Apple call at what is it? 364 per share. There we go. Yeah, I just want to like have my risk off the table. Looks like I might have to. We'll have to see what kind of setups come through today. But yeah, Apple was looking good. But yeah, also was not trying to be caught up in that. So I feel good to be out of it. And now, hold up, there are some other ones. Okay, so I will say Apple is still on the table if it comes to like 310. If Apple comes to 310, I'll get an alert and I'll get back in there, but we'll see. Jim said, "Are you allocating for the SpaceX IPO?" Nah, I'm not. Things like that, they end up pulling back at some point, and at that some point, if it's something I'm interested in, I'll get it then. But patience pays. All right, so one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some. I'm gonna use some of those profits from the day, get some stuff from the breakout scanner. So one thing. Once again, this isn't for the this isn't for the challenge. This is like something different. Like wow, I still need to identify another trade, but one of them was Kohl's. So I'm what was it? What was the Kohl's contract? Was it like a it was like a Kohl's for the 5th. Oh, these spreads are nasty. Ooh, maybe not. All right, let me look at the Best Buy. Cause the Kohl's was that was not happening. I think it's the same day Best Buy. All right, Spy going for the Best Buys are nasty too. All right, so I'm not going for any of those. All right, so we'll yeah, forget that. All right, so I'm gonna put something that's gonna be a little more helpful up here. I'm gonna throw the dollar up here, just see how that's moving. I'll put that on like a 15. We got the Spy still pushing highs right now. Got some data in like what? In like 9 minutes. Lucky J, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Oh yeah, I forgot. Still got the MGMs moving too. Hey, y'all, excuse me, they're landscaping today. Yo, how are these MGMs up so much on the day? Are these are these even moving? Oh, they have a nasty spread on them. Okay, I was about to say, I was like, that doesn't even make sense. Monica, top of the morning. Oh, you just reminded we need to look at SoFi again. Okay, yeah, SoFi is right. Actually, hold up. Hmm. Yo, there might be a little something right here. Mm, I'm not sure how I feel about like SoFi. Like, mm, I like the idea of a call here, but also SoFi can move slow, so I don't like the speed of things. Dominique, top of the morning. Um, so yeah, we got the SPY pushing up, riding up on the hike and Ashley. I'm gonna bring this. I'm gonna bring this SPY up to a. Bro, we are moving. Let me look at the SPY on the 1 hour real quick. Mm, I'm gonna bring it to a 15. I don't even know how to feel about this. It's gonna be a battle today, guys. You said it cracks you up when you said, oh, these are nasty. Yeah, it's just a genuine reaction. I'm like, yo, those spreads, insane. Okay, let's see. Here, let's check out some ranges. All right, so Google. Let me look at Google on the daily. Actually, I'm not gonna mess with Google. I think that's one of the last stocks I lost money on. I gotta go back to the lab for Google. Meta, little pullback action. Once again, if Apple wants to pull back to like 310, I'm gonna have to get in here and look at some dang, Oracle. Hold up. Nah, that's gone. That's out of there. Hold up. Okay, Monica, can you take a quick look at Rocket Lab? That's a lot of stocks, Monica. Let's see. Let's see. Monica threw those. Just cause you family. That's a lot though. Let's see. Let's see. Love you, Monica. Let's see. All right. Okay. So Ask coming to pulling back, filling in a gap. I would say they probably can benefit for upside, but like just chart wise, I'd say there's nothing really to go here. I would say if I were trying to go for anything, like if I were going to hop in anything, right here, this liquidity right here at this 102 kind of 80, let's say about 103 area. That's where it's at. Here, I'm gonna change one of these. I gotta change one of these to okay, we see the dollar dropping. Let's pull up oil. Oh, okay. Nothing crazy. But yeah, I would say like, yo, let's add an alert there at about like just below 103, 102.62. I think there's for sure some buyers there. Let's see, what was the next in line? I see all y'all's other messages. I'm just trying to get through what Monica said real quick. You said Rocket Lab. All right. Oh, hey, there's some liquidity there, but I don't know how I feel about that still, because it's like it had already made the high before, and now it's pulling back. Hey, we might have to wait around for our trade today, and there's nothing wrong with that, cause yeah, we're pushing right now. I'm not sure I'm one to actually hold up. Apple might be able to get like a reversal kind of scalp on Apple. Hold up. Let me I'm gonna shift to Apple real quick over here. I'm gonna watch it on like that's already a 15. Whoa, hold up. Bro, they are manipulating these MGMs. But I know how to. That's kind of wild, actually. Okay. Yeah, it's making my portfolio jump all around the way they're trying to play around with the price. Like the spread on them is gobbledygook. Okay, but yeah, let me get back to. Oh, yeah, also tortillas. Good morning, and you said check out IWM. Let's see. Not yet. It's still like in a tight range. Yeah, it's still very very tight range. I had a put earlier this week, and it didn't play out. Like if I took profit first day, it would have worked out. But I took like a 50% L on my IWM this week. I feel like SoFi is going to 22 to 24. Hey, hey Dominique, you could be on to something. I think they got that move from the Trump account. All right, so we're getting an Apple pullback. Um, did I miss the move? Let me look in at this gamma squeeze. This what's it called? Gamma exposure. Oh, okay, it's back. It's back. Okay. All right, so yo, if Apple wants to come back to like 1250, I'll take that too. Shoot, let me slide this up. But it might not come back. But yeah, if it wants to come back to that, I'll take a call on Apple. I don't know why they always gotta mow my lawn like right when the market opens. Here, let's see. NBIS. That's oh, I've never traded this, so I'm not gonna trade. I can like tell you about the chart, but it's in consolidation right now. So honestly, like just with the trend and everything, it looks like it's getting ready for a move up if you're patient enough. But this doesn't look like one for today, unless it wants to break past like, oh yeah, it needs to move big for me to do anything with it. All right, let's see. Blue Origin. Oh, I'm so glad they are done mowing my lawn. It's like it was so loud. And it was like it made it feel like there was a lot more going on. Okay, look at hood. So probably where it took off from. So next area of support looks like it's around $84 on Robinhood. Notice it kind of like based out here a little bit. You said 84, 85, but 84 is better. Palantir's on the move. Let's see. Oh, dang. Like, wow. I feel like I said something about them like breaking out yesterday. No, I guess that was Thursday. No, yeah, yesterday was Thursday. So I said something about them breaking out, but they went crazy. I'm gonna have to miss that one. Honestly though, they are at a level where you would think they could turn around, like at like 153. But honestly, like being a contrarian to one of these today, that could pay off too. Honestly, just need to find one move. Oh, hold up. BBAI almost at $5. Shout out to my $5 leaps on BBAI. Hey, them things about to be in the money. Hey, we up 85%. Let's go. Let me get back to. So yeah, we still moving up. Hold up. What's blowing up my phone? Dell skyrockets, heads for best day ever. So dollar's still chilling. Apple pulling back. 69 watching. Why we not having? Hey, that's a good question. Yeah, we got 67 people on. We got 31 likes. A whole lot of people looking unfamiliar right now. Just chilling in my house. Let's see. Hold on, I gotta see what break even is on that MGM. Okay, so it's already past break even. So even if I don't do anything, I'm still good on that. Dell went up 30%. Grump said to buy yesterday. Hey, you know how Trump is, man. He probably loaded up. Hold up, we got oil going down even more. What's AAL? I still have those AALs, but I'm like, they're gonna expire worthless right here. You said which BBAI leaps I took? I think they're January 2028, and they're the $5 cost or strike price. I've had them. Let me see. Yeah, January 21st, 2028, and bought them April 1st. What's it gonna be? Here, let me look through some different time frames. So this is a 1 hour on the SPY. Let's check here. Let's see what we're looking like on a weekly, monthly. Bro, I guess we ain't selling in May. So we've been pretty much straight up. I lost some money at the beginning of the month because I was like, yo, let me try to set up for this sell in May, go in May thesis. Yeah, that did not work. Yeah, that's why you trade with the charts, not with your heart. Anytime I try to or a lot of times I try to take a thesis, that's when it's, or not some of my theses work out, but usually have to have technicals tied in with them. So that's the 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15, 10, 5. But yeah, we took off. So we'll leave the SPY on the 15. I'm not messing with that for now. Let's see if I see anything just like glazing over here on the side. I want Apple to like pull back enough to where I'm like, oh yeah, I'll just take a call and I'm cool with that. I really want Apple to be the play today. I'm just not sure it is. Let's see, where's that account? Let me see what their contracts are, or the contracts are going for. I know it got a little pop today, so it might chill out. Hmm. Oh yeah, smash the like. Appreciate you, Alex. All right, what was I at over here? Bro, MU trying to get like SanDisk. Uh, Rocket Lab, man. All right, taking a little break on what is it? Quantum today? Yo, the spy's still moving. Yeah, I may just have to like here. I may just have to ride on the 5 minute and just wait till it gets like, oh, we're slowing down, and like after we slow down and go sideways for a moment. Let me also check in on the spy. See where the walls are with the spy today. Oh, we're well above the wall on the spy. But if spy can get to like 560, I know that's a ways away, but if spy can get above there, I think I'd be pretty comfortable grabbing a short and grabbing a put. I know there'd be some kind of pullback, but yeah, right now I don't have the confidence level to get in anything that I see at the moment. Yo, how much time do I have on these MGMs? Let me see. Oh, I got till next Friday. Okay. Okay, now these contract prices are looking. Oh, never mind. Let's see. Oh, you're lying. I'm very annoyed. Wait. Oh no, that still works. That still works. Let me see. Okay. All right. All right. So I just cut out a MGM for 206 per share. Um, just cause I'm like, yo, I'm just cool with it. You said what about a Ford zero DTE? So I think Ford was looking good to the upside. I'm not sure about zero DTE, but like some of these movers, I'm not gonna. The thing about zero DTE on a Friday is they like to play games. So it's like you get comfortable. Hold on, let me send this out to the Discord real quick, And then I will I'll check the gamma exposure. I'll tell you where the walls are, all that stuff, and then we'll take a look at it. Where are we at? Just took profits on MGM calls at 206 per share. There we go. Okay, so he said, "What about Ford? Let's look at the levels. Let's see what's going on." So you said Ford. Oh, that boy got a new puppy. I mean, Ford could move. It could move. I'm gonna just say if for some reason we see Ford under 1652, yo, they're likely coming down a lot harder. It's gonna get rough. But they got some cushion. Bro, now they're trying to edge my front yard. Bro, they're making all kinds of noise. Okay. Let's see. Bro, spy keeps going. Hey, look. Hey, this is I don't know. We might be kind of setting like a little sideways precedent. I don't know. We might have to wait. I'll say 15, 20 minutes, see if we're still moving sideways. Or maybe we're pulling back right now. We might be pulling back. We'll see. But if we pull back, could be good for me to get in something else. Oh, you said the ads are ramp? Oh, hold up. Oh, I'm sorry. Here, I'll turn those off. 1 second, Osama. Hold up. Where they at? Hold up. I keep forgetting on the Friday it was like automatically turned on because I just keep copying last week. There shouldn't be any more ads. Here, let's see. All right, I guess I can. Honestly, MGM looks like it can keep going, but now that I'm not in it, hey, we out of here. I don't. Hey, we'll let that do what it does. Well, actually, the spreads on that were bad. They were very misleading. Coles too. April, top of the morning. You said what's about to pump? It looks like or it looks like everything's about to pump. Said it wasn't a spy call, stopped out, started watching Iron. You said, why was I thinking about that Apple call? So I got an Apple, like I had a couple of other Apple calls. I took profit on them today, but pretty much I had it set out that Apple was gonna hit 315 today. But as soon as the market opened, Apple ran and hit 315. So now it's like I was hoping like, oh yeah, Apple's gonna pull back here. But honestly, if I'm being real, I think Apple could over the next week, or I wouldn't be surprised go hit 320. Like I wouldn't be surprised, but I was a lot more confident about 315 than 320. Like yesterday, I even grabbed a swing, like a 1 day swing, because I was like, oh yeah, it's going to 315. And I was just looking at the gamma exposure. Oh, you said that's what you were wondering? Oh yeah, I got out at market open. Y'all are getting the alert. Let me check. Let me double check. Make sure my trades are. Hold up. Why are my trades not posting in the Discord? Oh, let me check. Let me check and make sure they're posting in WAP. That's so. Hold up. I gotta fix that. They stopped posting yesterday. Or the last one that posted was yesterday. Yeah, so there are. Okay, so there are two I posted today that didn't post in there. Hold up. Let me, what is it? Oh, it looks like someone reset my webhook. Okay, let's see. Let me just get this going real quick. Did that work? Oh, I see somebody just joined FreedomCharts. Hey, welcome, family. Hold on, let me see if that worked out. Still kind of sideways right now. Apple pulling back a little bit, okay. Okay, it looks like it's saved. All right, I'm gonna send a test message real quick. Make sure that sends to the Discord. But I gotta actually. I guess post those real quick to the Discord too. If anyone got in on that MGM, it's not too late. The Apple may have to run that back, but let's see. Okay, that test worked. Just a profit on MGM at 206 per share. Took profit on Apple at 364 per share. April, which Apple did you have? Was it the one that expired today or the one that expired next week? If it's the one that expires next week, you're likely good. You said take DRAM. So DRAM, that one moves like too much for me. Let's see. like the way it moves. This doesn't move the way I trade, or it does a little bit, but I wouldn't do anything. Like I wouldn't trade it unless it came down here to this level, and I would look for it to come back up to like 63 or so. It's like that's where I'm looking at. It's like I think it's a good ETF to hold, right? Especially right now. But I'm looking at things that have good volume, option volume, and then also more recently, just like I guess you could say it has the potential to do that, like things that break out. So I would say this has that potential actually. You said would I swing Apple the weekend? I would not actually because I had a contract that like I would have potentially swung over the weekend, but I took profit on it. Um, yeah, I had a 315 call, but no, I took profit on it. So it's like Apple would need to like pull back for me to do that. All right, we got the SPY pulling back a little bit. I want to see what the dollar's looking like. Let's come to a 15. Pretty chill. Oil. Dang, the PCE is mad low. I almost just want to grab a. Hold up. This is like speculation, but let's see. Let me look in here. Oh, yeah. Oh, really? Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Oh, we're trying to come up, really? Really? Okay. Yeah, here's what I'm gonna do. Let's see. Oh, wrong account. Hold up. Let me go to the right account. Oh, they're playing with me. Just from me moving. All right. Bro, they are playing with me. What? Oh, I'm still in the wrong account. Hold up. Why is it so difficult to trade in the right account? All right, I just grabbed a SPY 757 put. Paid 106 per share. It's a 0 DT. I'm in like right here. All right. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Just so everyone knows. What was it? What I grabbed a 757.5 SPY put or whatever. 757 SPY puts 0 DTE. That's what I grabbed. And I grabbed it at this level, so it's cheaper now. I'm down on it. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna ride with. All right, let's see. You said I took an Apple right now. No, I didn't take a call on Apple right now. I'm not gonna play Apple today. So to let y'all know what I am thinking here, I'm a pin what y'all. I'm a pin like what I picked up. It's not as much technical as more. So what I'm looking at. So there is something called a call to put ratio. Right now it is incredibly low. It's down here at 4.427. We typically get some kind of pullback when that occurs. It doesn't have to be major, but usually like below this 0.5 area, it's like, yo, there's not enough different. Dang, I can still see it. MGM's up even more now. But it's like yeah, we'll see. The PCE's low. I also looked at the gamma exposure. The wall, like the area that is should be magneted to is about 755, which is kind of where things kind of took off today. They like to play games on Friday. So I'm thinking if we can get like a downtrend on the Heiken Ashi, I see we've already kind of pulled back. I think this could extend and go some more. So that's kind of my thesis on that. This isn't like, I still haven't seen my ideal perfect setup, but that is where I think my best odds for this trade is today. So that's kind of what I'm looking at there. And it's like, I think I have the time, and I think it's close enough to the money to the point where should I need to jump out and still have some money, I can do that is my thought. So we'll see. So it's moving in favor. Okay. Yeah, we're moving in favor, getting some kind of move. The contract's up 14%. Okay. All right. Hey, so whoop-de-doo, getting a little movement. Okay, it's working out. It's about, what is it? It's about 9 cents from being in the money. But we're still haven't crossed this 13 EMA yet on the 5. Emerson said I ended up grabbing a SPY 752 put, paid 91. It's at 85, expires the 1st. Said don't plan to hold it. Hey, let's see if we can get the SPY in the money to the downside. We're at the money. Oh, come on down. I'm liking this hiking Ashi. Okay. In the money, up 20%. All right. Let's go. 20. Okay. All right. Okay. 22%. Hey, bring it on down. Let's go. I'm gonna buy me a tractor. Sorry, y'all. I'm getting a little wild. Getting out of there right now. Up 24%. I'm gonna take a moment, see where the levels are. Yeah, I still think, I feel like I can take it to at least like pretty close to 756. We'll see. See how these Heiken Ashi keep moving. All right, up 30%. Honestly, that's a trade right there. Usually at 30, it's like, hey, let's get out of there. All right, 33%. All right, I'm gonna take this over here over to the 15. I'm gonna try to watch the Heiken Ashi, see how they move. Taking our time a little bit. Bro, MGM, yo. Man, got out a little early. Oh, hold up. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead, just slide on out. Okay, I'm out at 148 per share. There we go. All right, that's good enough for me. Um, just under 40%. So each week it's gotten a little bigger. Like I do think it could keep moving. Like y'all did hear me say like, oh yeah, I think it could go to 42. But yo, the account has grown 92.7%. This is the third day trading this, or third week, however you want to look at it. But yeah, the account is now chilling at 192.70. Hey, we did it. I wanted to trade Apple today. We traded the SPY. It's wild. Hold on, let me get the time. What time is it? It's 9:20. Let me write that down because I'm gonna make a recap of this, and I'll probably just throw the live trade in because that was a quick one. Here, let's see. So it was done at 9:20. Okay. Oh, and then it kind of pulled back a little bit there, but it looks like it could still continue on. All right, let's see. Rudy said took a 758 call and going good. Wanted to learn how to do this today. What one of your videos should I watch? Hey, let me take a moment to hey, real quick. I want to show y'all something. So here, I'm gonna make it a little bit more little better, but I got a website. If you go to matthewmanuel.co, not com, but co. Honest, yeah, let me be real. It was a little cheaper to go with co. I was like, yo, I like .co, so I was like, yo, matthewmanuel.co. If you go here, you click on trading. Honestly, it's very similar to my YouTube channel. I'm still building this, but you have these different kind of things right here. Keep looking out. I'll eventually have a playlist of what to actually kind of go through, like start trading here. Like that'll probably, let me write that down real quick. Start trading here playlist. Start trading here. Okay, or maybe start learning here. It'll be something like that. But for now, also like just to show you the interface. Say you all right, let me go on something not live. But say you click on it, it'll bring it up. You'll see the video. If you want to go to YouTube, you can click on it. But let me real quick. What is it? So here, I'm gonna share this in the, where is it? Oh, right here. So here, I'm gonna share this in the chat. I'll pin the comment real quick. Let me unpin that other one and pin this. And if you're looking to learn, like, this playlist will make you dangerous when it comes to trading. So first it starts off with just like understanding the charts, how to set up TradingView, like the tools, how to read a candlestick. I think I talk about how to like analyze a trend and know which way it's going, like right here. So this is like basic technical analysis, trend lines, and then like later in the video, risk versus reward and stuff. That tells you where to enter and exit a trade. That's very important. Even if you already know the front half of the video, watch the back half. But going on from there, after you know the basic technical analysis, if you just kind of continue on, it's a playlist. It's how to swing trade for beginners. So that's kind of slowing trades down a little bit, giving yourself some time to be right. Next is like how to actually trade options. This is one where I lost a trade. So this one's like, oh, that's what it looks like to do it. Those are the dangers. This one's like, oh, same video, a little more detail, showing how I choose a winning setup. This one is like how to practice it, how to set a stop loss. After you trade a little bit, you might be like, hey, I'm making money trading options, or maybe I'm losing money. I don't understand. This will tell you how to understand the pricing. This is exactly how I find my strike price whenever I pick my options. This is gold. Very slept on video right here. Honestly, like only 6,000 views. That video, I don't think I did a good job packaging it, but like thumbnail wise, I don't think so. I need to change that out. But and then the last one, this one right here, how I chart the only setup I need for day trades. This is kind of what I was looking at with like the last SoFi trade I took, if y'all saw the short. But that's what I would say. But going on, looking at it, we can see that the SPY continued to come down, and it came about to where I said it would. So, if any of y'all continue to ride, congrats. But let's see. Oh, sorry, M-Sense. You said, maybe you said, am I taking the SPY put? I did take a SPY put. Thank you, Corey. Lucky Day with them stars. And I appreciate you, Monica. But yeah, now we're here. All right, so now potentially get to have some fun. Let's see. So when I say fun, it's like, I mean, I get to like look around, see if there are any potential swings I want to take. Not on this $100 account. But yeah, I feel good about the $100 account though. Here, let me pull up the chart for y'all. Let me show y'all the growth. Where is it at? Real quick, hold up. Is this it? Yeah, here we go. All right. So we got the $100 account right here. See, 100 to 1K. We started off with the 100. deposited April 4th. Took our first trade on, oh wait, April 24th. Took our first trade May 15th. Hey, grew the account by 22%. Took the next trade May 22nd. Grew it, total growth 50%. And then today, you see that, hey, that's a bigger jump right there. Oh, we're up 92.7. So, all right. Oh yeah, it pulled like just past 756, and then it said, "Hey, we coming back up, boy." Oh, you said you were asking if I got out of the put. Yeah, I got out of the put. Yeah, I got out around I want to say like probably around 756.50. So like about 50 cents in the money. I was like, yo, let me get out of here. You said goodbye Tesla downside. Let's see. Oh, hold up. Tesla pulling the. Oh wait, hold up. There might be some support at this. What 426? I'm not sure. I'm not sure I have it in me to swing any calls on Tesla though. I'll be thinking about that all weekend. Oh, Meta's already pulling back too, from its like move up. Oh yeah, we're selling off. Hey, that PCE don't lie. Honestly, I think I'm a chill. I'm a chill. I'm gonna see. I might check in at the end of the day. I probably don't want to. I think I want to like mentally relax. Cause it's like if I'm in stuff, I'm like thinking about it. But I think I'm chilling. Hey Henry, what's good, family? Hey, those hiking ashies did us well today. Hold on, let me see. Send some profits over to my Roth real quick. Okay, let's see. You said 8 off Google earlier? Actually, yeah. What I was looking at Google earlier. What's it? What did it end up doing? Did it go further down? Oh, it kind of did a little bit, but also not to a point where I was like, oh yeah, I'll go for it. 365. Yeah, I'll grab a call at 365, but it's like kind of in here. Oh, there's like a lot of inefficiency. Like I already tried. I tried. I think earlier in the week. I took a L. GG's. Oh, F cell coming back too. That one kind of went on a run last week. Let's see. I want something to happen and for them to like really drop the price of oil, and I want it to happen today. Like before the market closes. Like even if it wants to happen right now, that would be very cool. Yo, selling off some more. I'm gonna say 750 or 755 is likely, like kind of, kind of down there for today. All right, Emerson said I'm out of the spy put in the green. Hey, good stuff. Oh, 7% capital growth. Good stuff. Good stuff. Some good movement right there. Spy call after pullback, it stays high. Uh, I would say I'm personally semi against it because um, looking at the data, I found like the gamma, what was it? The gamma exposure. That 755 level is where things should be magneted to today. And since it's a Friday, and you know how they like to stop moving it, I wouldn't be surprised if they kind of just killed it, but we'll see. Hold up, I wanna look at something else real quick. Let's see. I might cut out these AALs at a mega loss. Let's see. Oh yeah, that would take a catalyst. Yeah, I'll go ahead and cut out at this mega loss. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, go on and cut out. I'm out of there. Hold on. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna look at this. What is it? This. So Coles had 4 times their volume. I'm gonna take a look at Coles. I'm probably actually it'd be kind of nice if we could touch this 13 EMA. I'll see if we can pull back to that. Oh, we got the SPY pulling back some more. Oh, hold up. What's the level that the SPY can't lose? If it loses, it gets nasty. Where is it? Oh, it's all the way down at like 753. Got a ways to go. Yeah, let me look at these Coles contracts. Hold up. Okay. So Dominic says SPY call. Okay. Did we take any trade for today? So I earlier today took a SPY put. Took a 757 SPY put. Wrote it to 40%, and then kind of hopped out. You said Jasmine's Palantir call. Yeah, Palantir, yo, it's up. Yeah, it's up. I know that one honestly could run. Here, let's zoom out on it. Okay, so this is a wait. I mean, next resistance is about like 160, 162. Yeah, you could go for it. Let me also let's see what it's looking like options wise. Oh wait, hold up, real quick. I'm gonna grab these calls real quick. Just because they're on the scanner, and I think they're below the price. Okay, we'll see if I get filled. What was it, Palantir? Let's see. Yeah, Palantir is up there. Yeah, they're up there. That's all I can say. Not much I can say beyond that. You said buying power is killing me. Hey, I feel the struggle. Feel the struggle. That's why I can only take that one today. You said, did I set a stop loss or take profit on my? No, I just cut out like I am the stop loss. It's like the way they like to be with options. I don't love I don't love stops for options. So it's like something that, oh, it's like a muscle I had to build to make myself a stop loss. But yeah, I'm the stop loss. Let's see. You say you the loss. Yeah, that is very much the case. Sorry, I got distracted. Okay, so I probably ended. It looks like Cole's pulled back some more, so I probably ended up in those calls. Let's see. Yeah, so I have $15 calls on Coles that expire June 6th, and I paid 49 cents per share. Um, no real technicals or anything. This is like breakout based. This is one I'll probably ride a few days and see how it goes. But here, let's see. Just grabbed, what is it? $15. KSS calls paid 49 cents per share. Oh wait, hold up. Expiring, was it June 5th? I got so many screenshots on my phone. There we go. All right, so now we got this buy below 755. I don't think it's going to like go too much further than this. Honestly, if there were an area to grab a call, this would probably be it, but we'll just see. Also, like if we do lose this though, it could move some more. It could get nasty. All right, we got Apple back at 312.50. Let me look at Apple for next week, cause I could mess around and get a call to swing. Let me see. Bro, they're back in my yard again. No, I'm not gonna do anything with Apple. So frustrated on the fact that I had all the right stocks but didn't put a lot of money into them. Didn't make any profit. Are you like looking at multiple? Or like are you trying to trade multiple? I'll say like if you're trying to do more, like if you're trying to like spread a little between a lot, it's not gonna go very far. But like if you focus on something like for instance a SPY, you can do more with it. Like I was looking at Apple with the $100 account, but if you pay attention, you'll notice that so far, all 3 of the weeks, while the balance has been low, it's seemed like we've defaulted to the SPY for trades. It's really been, I guess, kind of the only thing that I could rely on. Here, let me mark my entry on this Coles trade. Guess I like got in over here. Be amazing to, yeah, right up there. We'll see. I only grabbed 2. Hop back in SPY and scalp. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff, M says. You said, yeah, did that. Did MU, Microsoft, Palantir. I don't know how much you have, but I know the options on all 3 of those are not cheap. If I had to, like, I would say the one that's probably the cheapest is probably Microsoft. But yeah, I know all those are not cheap. It's like right now you find me like going for one of those like at a time. But yeah, it's hard when you like spread yourself thin. Let's see what was it on? Oh. Yeah, Palantir. Let's see. All right, so yeah, let me check in on what is it? Ford. So they hit like 1776. I think this is their current range. Let's see. All right, so their support's like a little below 16. All right, we got Apple back to 312.22. Yeah, it's looking like a Friday. The games are being played. Oh, they're back. Hey, what's up, Jamal? Hey, appreciate you. Appreciate you. Felt like Chris Tucker in the spa in Hong Kong. Oh, I feel you. You said got too ahead of yourself. Hey, nothing like a hey, Jamal, if you're not doing anything, you should come by. Like, if you're not doing anything in the, like I feel like if you head over here right now, you'll be over here by the end of the stream. You should come over. Like right now, I got some stuff for you. Don't know if you still hear me, but I'll text you. But yeah, come over. Stream's about to be over. I think it'd be a good time for it. Let's see. There we go. Oh, I got you. No worries. Hey, you could cut my hair too. But oh well. Even got some clippers over here. With your name on them. But hey, all good. I probably need to cut my hair anyway. Let's see. How we doing? All right, so hey, that was a good spot to grab a call. that was a good spot to grab a call. Like once again, ultimately the SPY is probably going to be magneted to 755. Possibly. I need to make sure. I think that should work. But yeah, I just need to make sure. I can text you later. Let's say, does having a setup make it easier to find the best option to lock onto? When you say having a setup, do you mean like a desk setup, or do you mean like a setup on the a setup in the charts? I will say like having a setup in front of you is easier, but like where is it at? Oh, like now when I'm on the road, I got like my iPad mini right here. And honestly, you don't even need an iPad mini. Like they have there's one that's bigger, that's cheaper. And like as long as you have like a screen to, you don't even need this. You can look at the charts on your phone. Like I have TradingView, but I'm gonna be real, it's a little bit easier to have another screen so you can see like where it's moving. But nah, there are times I'm on the road and I'll just like an alert will go off. I'll look at it on my phone, and then like I'll lock in the profit. But yeah, you don't need a full on desktop setup. Honestly, if I'm being real, if I weren't streaming, I'm really just looking at one screen. So yeah, if you can get like a tablet, like a nice like if the base level iPad, or like you don't need anything too crazy. Like but you can start out with your iPhone, your phone. Like your phone is enough. Understand that. It's like I see people with like a thousand screens and whatnot. Honestly, I got a lot of screens. I just like I only use one for trading though. It's like sometimes it gets a little slow while I'm streaming. I'm like, hey, what's going on over here? And that's the only thing I got going on other screens. Or sometimes it's like, oh, it's slow. Let me make this addition to the website or whatever. But it is what it is. Did I did I share my hey? I didn't actually like share it. I think I just shared the link. Hey, you just throw that in there. Oh, it doesn't even hyperlink it. Hold on, let me delete that. Let me delete that. They trying to do me dirty. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I'll do that one more time. There we go. Hey Shane, top of the morning. So a little late to the live, yo. Just to update you, we made the progress on the small account. Hey, mission accomplished today. Took profits on some good ones. Yeah, we moved forward. All right, so we got Apple pulling back some more. Bro, that Apple would have been money. Should it have moved the opposite direction first? But it's still chill. You said go away in May, my eye. Oh yeah. Nah, yeah, that's that did me dirty. I appreciate you, Shane. Yeah, I hope all is well with you, man. Oh, oh no, I'm not even trying to see that now. That's like AAL's. Hey, trying to make like it's trying to move up a little bit now. Let's see. I don't need to watch don't need to watch Coles too closely. Where'd they go? Yeah, let me get rid of that. Here, let me look at Apple one more time. Oh yeah, Apple's like right there in between this levels. Yeah, I don't think Apple's going anywhere. Let's see, what else we got out there? Let me see how Tesla's looking today. Yeah, Tesla's like right there too. Let's see. Hey Rudy, hey, good stuff. Hey, glad you were able to get to the money. Let's see. Be sure to smash that like button. Hey, if you haven't already. Hey, it's all I ask. And if anybody's looking to do this 5 days a week, come through, see the live stream 5 days a week. Hey, just know there's a FreedomCharts it's a 5 day free trial. Just so y'all know. Cancel anytime. Here, let's see. Let me check out Meta. Meta's at that level too. Let me check Palantir one more time. Palantir's out of there, just not messing with that. Let's check SoFi. SoFi is right there, probably not going anywhere. Yeah, I think a lot of stocks are going to be pretty sideways the rest of the day. The only one I'm not sure about is SoFi, from what I just like looked at. Unless we get like some kind of like tweet from Trump or anything. Oh yeah. I appreciate y'all. Okay, 63 and 63. Said most definitely gonna join. There's two of them, just so y'all know. There's a free one that gets you the morning message and basic Discord access, and then there's the one for the live streams, and then the weekly Zoom call. Let's see, my wife said something. What did she say? Oh, that's cute. Oh. You said Trump talked about Dell again? You know what? I hadn't even pulled up the chart today. I just keep saying like it went bonkers. Okay. Yep. 320, 440. Yeah, that's yeah. I can already tell by the price that like the options are not anything I'm trying to trade. But whenever Dell comes back to like 315 or so. All right, actually, hold up. Let's go to a let's look at it like this. 230. That's super easy money. That's like a good like leap. Yeah, there we go. Just throw that in there. Let me get rid of this old one. I'll know what's up if it happens. But yeah, for now, oh yeah, I'm not touching that. All right, yo, we got Apple coming towards that 310. I still think it might be a here. Let me see. For those of you wanting like a little something quick, there might be something there at that level. Let me see. Shoot, if it comes there and it goes quick enough, let me see what Apple's looking like one more time. Yeah, you could get some kind of bounce there. Or actually, I don't. It could also die at 310 too. Let me move out a day. Yeah, you got a lot above you over there. Nah, actually, like the more time you get, 310 starts to look like, hey. But then when you zoom out some more, you start to get to 315 again. Yeah, so if you go out a week and you're looking at 315 on Apple, okay, hold up. Apple it's trying to come in there. You said SoFi is going crazy. I'll say it went crazy. Went crazy. I think it's kind of chilling for the rest of the day, but like yeah, on the overnight, yeah, SoFi, yo, it popped off. Hold up, let's see. What was that? What was I doing with this Apple? Let me see what Apple's looking like. Shoot, I could end up getting back in those calls I was in. They trying to give them to me for a lower price. Or that call I was in. Yeah, hold up. Yeah, if Apple hits that red line, I'll go ahead. I'll grab a couple contract. Oh, hold up. What account am I in? They're trying to say I don't have that much available. Is this a cash account or a margin account? Oh, I use my day trades. Okay. That's still weird. They're like limiting. Let's see. Yeah, we'll see. You said Google looking ready. Hey, couldn't be me where it was at. Hey, have a blessed day, D Skirt. Hey, congrats to you too. You said Palantir finally paid. Hey, it was about time. I don't think it is today, but yeah, I think it'll go back up. I think today is pretty pen. Palantir taking off though. You said where do I see SPY at closing today? Right now, the magnet level is like 655, but I think it just depends on where the orders go. But also, I'm not a market maker, so all it takes is like a tweet from Trump. SPY can be in a completely different area. All right, yeah, that Best Buy came out. Be nice if Kohl's did the same thing. Yeah, that Kohl's pulling back. Didn't I say there was a level? Like if they pull back, I would want some more. What is it at? That's on the 15. Hold up. Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, about like 4:30 or so. All right, spy back to 757. Shoot, let me look at this again. That PCE came down. Let's see. They trying to go for a ride today. Yeah, it still looks like it kind of lands towards 650. Yeah, 755. Truth Social Alert says, "Hey, appreciate you, Jose." Says Trump is in a situation room to make final decision. Oh, so we can either fly up or we can drop out. Hmm. Here, let's. One of these needs to be the dollar. Hold up. Okay, so we got the dollar dropping, and we got oil dropping. Okay. So yeah, oil's at lows, dollars at lows. That is bullish right now. Making green, close these charts. Hey, this is yo. You said how low will Coles go? And I have no idea. So Coles is that's money that I could completely lose. That's like a breakout kind of scanner. So I'm just playing with profits on that. That's not a like the breakout scanner has been calling bangers, and it's like, yo, give it a few days and it's gone up. But to be real with you, there is like no analysis in that at all. I just grabbed those. So I really can't tell you. That's one I kind of like, similar to those MGMs that I had. That's a similar situation. Like I legit just got those from the breakout scanner first day. One thing I've kind of noticed on those is like the first kind of day is kind of like what is it? First day, it doesn't really. Sometimes it takes off the first day. I think like whenever I got the Ford, it took off the first day, but what I'm seeing is like it might be a day or two. And like actually with Ford, it was like it's been like the whole week, but it's kind of just like, yo, I just wait and see. Iron, like crypto or something. You grabbed a 66 call 0 DTE. So there are buyers there. It's gonna have resistance at 65.39. I don't really know what to say. Oh, we can check the gamma exposure, but honestly, it looks like it wants to stay close to like that 64, 65 kind of area. Let's see. Yeah. So yeah, exactly what I said. So the gamma exposure is pointing to like between 64 and 65 is kind of like the happy level for iron. What do I think about Hood? I think it's a good stock. I like their innovations. I like what they're going. I think they are sensitive to things like crypto and just different accounts and stuff, but I think it's a good stock. I think it's a amazing long term play. I want some myself. I just want it for a lower price. On the day I did see it. I didn't feel compelled to like trade it or anything. Oh no, it's still pushing up. Hold up. Let's see. Yeah, it's trying to go right now. Shoot, that might be in the same category as Palantir. Let me check the what is it? Yeah, it's I would say it's not quite as extreme as Palantir, but yo, it's it could continue pushing here. If it holds above 90, it could melt up a good amount more. Um, says SoFi. Yeah, SoFi. Yo, it's up right now. Oh yeah, dang. Yeah, I think there is something going on. Yeah, we got the dollar coming down. SoFi is coming back up a little bit. I guess a lot of stuff's coming back up, like with the dollar pulling back. You said, do I have a trading group? Yeah, it's called FreedomCharts. So here, let's see. I'll drop that link for you right there. Did that paste? I don't even think that was the right one. No, that didn't copy right. Hold up. Disregard that last one. There we go. Sorry, I'm back. News update. Yeah. Jose told us, but appreciate you. Oh, okay. You see it. I think SoFi actually, if you look at pre-market, SoFi actually hit 1983 in the pre-market. So it kind of did hit 19, but yeah, it's not out of the question. I guess it depends on what kind of situation occurs in the situation room. You said, what's the link? Need to learn how to trade. Okay, so that link I just sent in the chat just before, or if you want to go directly to it, let me see. I don't even know how to. Yeah, it's the link before that I sent. But I feel like there's supposed to be a page somewhere that like explains it a little better. I just don't know where it is if I'm being real. Let's see. I have to get that fixed. All right, let's see. Still kind of chilling. All right, Apple back up to 311.58. All right, pulling back on the SPY. Happy level is supposed to be 755. I was like, I'll be on the lookout for a catalyst today, but I don't think we're going anywhere. What is this? Man, Oracle. Oracle is at a day. Hold up. Where'd it go? Solid almost 8%. Y'all ever, y'all remember what it was like whenever y'all were like a senior in high school and it was like the end of the year and it's like you're done with all your assignments, but it's like you still had like a little school left to do, or no, you still had like, I don't know, maybe some hours or maybe a last day of school left to kind of deal with or something. That's how I feel right now, or that's how I feel like going into the weekends. It's like, yo, the work has been done. Said facts. Yeah, that's it. That's exactly how it feels, man. Let's see. All right, we got the dollar coming down some more. So if this keeps coming down, just know that's bullish for assets. As the dollar comes down, assets go up just because we transact in dollars. So, yo, if we keep dropping here, stocks should keep popping. You should see the index popping. Stuff such as that. Almost like it's trying to hold though. All right, so wait, hold on. Let me take a look at Coles. See how that's doing. Still kind of chilling. You said what ticker is the US dollar? Is this on Robinhood? Let me see. So I don't think. Oh, I've never like watched it on Robinhood. I think before I used TradingView, I used to watch it on Webull. But yeah, it's not on Robinhood because it's the DXY, but it's not on Robinhood. Let me see if there's another way to do it. I mean, there's UUP, which is it's like is it a leverage fund? It's the dollar. It's a like it might be a leverage fund of the dollar, but it is the dollar. So I guess that's one way to do it. Apparently, I traded UUP back in 2020. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. What strike? It was a $30 strike price. Oh, it's down now. So UUP. What else we got? I guess your best option would be UUP, but yeah, let's see. So this is I would say it's fairly accurate. Like if it's going down, here let me compare it to the actual. Yeah, yeah. It's like it doesn't. I mean the numbers are different, but it's like it moves the same. So like when it comes to like oh it's going down. Yeah, that could UUP would work because it's like when I'm looking at the Dixie or the DXY, but it's not even the dollar either. You said which one? UUP. Oh, yo. Here, let me type that just in case you don't get it. But yo, with that being said, family, yo, we are about to close this out. Yo, happy to come through and yo move us closer to our goal. You know, we've almost hit our first double up on the account. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, almost hit our first double up on the account. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for rolling through. Pray y'all have a great weekend. With that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Monica took a paper trade on SoFi today. Only it's up. Yeah, that's wild. SoFi wilding. But yeah, peace out, Monica. Peace out, Henry. Peace out, Travis. Thank you, Travis. Peace out, Letty. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Ann. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, Jose. Peace out, Jami. Peace out, Rudy. Peace out, Shane. Peace out in that thing. Peace out, Dominique. And yo, should I? Peace out, Master DRC. Peace out, Timothy. And should I? Peace out, Ken Hill. Should I miss your name? It's not because I don't love you. Just yo, miss your name. Peace out, Darren or Derry. Yo. But yeah, that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family.